Welcome back to our channel, and I'm so glad that you're watching our video today. I'm Ria
And I'm Remy.
and join us in our journey today
To one of the richest cities of West Midlands.
Leamington Spa.
Throughout the day, we were studying a bit, completing our assignments, and now we are back to our journey to explore another part of West Midlands, that is Leamington Spa.
Just to give you weather update, आज sun है और थोड़ा सा breezy भी है, so मुझे थोड़ी ठंड लग रही है.
But as long as sun is there and weather is clear, we are quite happy and good to go.
So, guess how we are going to go today?
Yes,
By bus.
we are planning to board a double decker, and sitting in front of the double decker is something which is very exciting. So,
And I'm sure that you will love it as well. So join us. अभी तो आगे वाली सीट्स नहीं मिली है. We hope, fingers crossed, कि आते टाइम आगे वाली मिले और हम लोग शूट कर पाए आपके लिए. This is one of the bus interchanges in Utrecht. रोड पे जगह जगह पे अच्छे से प्लांटिंग कर रखी है उन लोगों ने. जैसे आप देख रहे हो यहाँ के रास्ते बहुत छोटे हैं, लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ के बसेस पता नहीं कैसे निकल जाती है. हमें तो लगता है कि ये एक्सीडेंट ना कर दे. ये छोटे छोटे रास्ते.
I really like the ring road system here, where they don't need many signals. The ring road system is there in Chandigarh in India, and I think mostly in all of the UK they follow this ring system.
so we have reached Leamington Spa, and we are planning to visit a Sri Krishna Mandir nearby. So we have reached the Sri Krishna Mandir, and over here all the festivals are celebrated, like Diwali, Dussehra, etc.
दशरथ अजिर बिहारी जय सिया राम जय जय सिया राम.
यहाँ पे मंदिर का होना दिखाता है कि यहाँ पे इंडियंस की कोई कमी नहीं है.
हाँ, यहाँ पे यूके में काफ़ी सारे इंडियंस हैं, काफ़ी सारे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट्स, इंडियन फूड, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग.
अब देख रहे हो मेरे पीछे, ये है एक इंडियन स्टोर. बहुत वैरायटीज ऑफ स्वीट्स एंड दे आर वेरी यमी, जस्ट लाइक द वंस वी गेट इन इंडिया.
हम लीम बोट क्लब के यहाँ पर आए हैं. देयर इज अ नाइस कैनाल ओवर हियर एंड अ नाइस ब्रिज टू वॉक. There is a good children's play area. Also, there are activities like kayaking. We'll check it out if it's open. Definitely, we'll do it. Wow, I really like the sound of the water, isn't it?
या
This is a pretty old bridge built in 1903. Wow, the sunset. I can't wait to see the sun when the sun sets.
आज यहाँ पे कोई कायाकिंग नहीं कर रहा, बट नॉर्मल डेज पे जब कोविड नहीं था तब यहाँ पे लोग कायाकिंग करने हर वीकेंड्स आते थे. बट बर्थडे पार्टीज यहाँ पे सेलिब्रेट करने आते हैं. मुझे मेरी फ्रेंड से इनविटेशन मिला था यहाँ पे उसके बर्थडे पार्टी पे आने के लिए, पर मैं नहीं जा पाई. सो दैट्स सैड.
तो अभी हम पार्क के अंदर आ चुके हैं. देयर इज अ नाइस साइकिलिंग ट्रैक ओवर हियर. पीपल आर जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग. सो आई विल शो यू अराउंड द प्लेस. Here is a small banquet area where people can hold their meetings, events, birthday parties. So that's the place. A lot of official meetings also take place over here. So there's a very good lawn over here, very lush green. I can see people walking around with their dogs. पे काफ़ी सारे swans भी है, but somehow अभी दिख नहीं रहे. I think they are on that side of the lake. So we'll go there. Rimi, how are you feeling?
As the water is increasing the beauty of this place.
Yeah, यहाँ की जो water body है वो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा है. So that's a good thing. This time we had come here during a weekend and it was super crowded. Today it's quite empty and peaceful. We'll just go over this bridge and let's check out.
Walk first and then we'll go near the boating park, and we'll also tell them how are the bookings and do we book virtually,
Yes.
or कितने what are
Hopefully
the
open
prices
हो.
of the tickets.
हाँ,
वो सब
hopefully
बताएंगे.
open हो.
So that आप
देखते हैं
लोग
अभी.
अगर कभी यूके आए, इस सेंटर में आए, तो आपको भी रफ आइडिया हो कि आप क्या क्या कर सकते हो, how you can spend your time and enjoy here. Riya, can you hear a load of birds chirping around?
Oh yes, I do. So this is the structure of William Norman Villay. He was a previous mayor of Leamington Spa, and he has been instrumental in building different structures and buildings in Leamington Spa. The bridge in the start was built by him.
Are you enjoying it?
Yes, it's a good walk, nice way to spend the evening.
And did you notice something between us? What is this? Can you tell our viewers?
Oh yeah, so basically all around the parks, not only over here but in entire UK, the benches in the parks are built in the memory of someone. So these might be some great soldiers, they might be some social workers.
यहाँ पे ये जो पॉपी फ्लावर्स है वो अलग अलग सोल्जर्स के रिमेम्बरेंस में यूज़ किए जाते हैं. नाउ द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस इज़ कि जो World War I and II के जो सोल्जर्स थे उन्हें जब बरी करा गया था वॉर मेमोरियल पार्क के पास, नेक्स्ट फ्यू मंथ्स में वहाँ पे पॉपी प्लांट्स ग्रो हो गए थे. एंड इसी हर ईयर एक डे होता है जब ये सोल्जर्स को रिमेंबर करा जाता है एंड ऐसे ब्रोच पहनते हैं या फिर दे डू सोशल वर्क ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम.
And that's how they remember the services of the soldiers, by planting some poppy seeds. Wow, ये squirrel कितनी cute लग रही है ना?
Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
Yes.
तो ये था एक छोटा सा पार्क नियर द kayaking boat center. Or these gates will be locked daily at 8 p.m. and ensure you're out of here or else you'll be locked. Isn't that funny?
Yeah, it's pretty funny.
Riya, can you guess the time? And also the viewers, please comment below and tell me what do you think the time might be right now.
I think it should be 7 right now, isn't it?
6:30, yeah?
Yeah.
But actually you'll be surprised to know that it's already 8. And the reason is that, yeah, it's the sun will be setting at around 8:30. And it's really surprising, isn't it?
Yeah, but the opposite is the situation during the winters. The sunset happens around 3 and 4 and it really gets boring. So we are making most of the time during the summer season.
Yeah, and it's really depressing in winters that it's already 3:30 when you're back from your work and your school and it's already sunset. If you really want to visit UK, you should plan during the summers in UK.
That's after March.
Yeah.
Till let's say September.
October.
After October it starts getting very cold
And
chilly.
gloomy.
So we have reached the Leamboat Center but sadly ये बंद है. I think because of the COVID-19 restrictions अभी तक ये खुला नहीं है. So hopefully in a month's time it will reopen again and we'll be back here doing some boating, isn't it, Rumi?
Yeah, I'm really waiting for that moment. Pause the video to check the ticket prices.
Always like walking over here because it's all white. All the buildings, all the bungalows are generally white in color, so that gives a different feeling to the place.
It gives a modern look as well.
Yeah, it gives a modern look. At the same time, I feel that you just get a Europe का जो vibe है ना वो यहाँ पे आके मिलता है. What do you think, Rimi?
Yeah, it does give a European vibe, and it gives the white color also gives a lot of positivity and freshness to the gloomy dark weather of UK.
Yes, exactly. So we sort of like having an evening stroll over here.
यहाँ पे अगर क्रॉस करना है तो you need to press this button और फिर जो ट्रैफिक लाइट है कार्स के लिए वो रेड हो जाएगा and then pedestrians can be allowed to go.
So this is sort of the main street जहाँ पे सारे types के shops है.
हम लोग वापस टेस्को जा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम लोग कल पीस लाना भूल गए थे. So we are back to Tesco, but this is a Leamington Spa one, not the other one. Gifting भी खुद ही से करते हैं घर पे. So these are very beautiful.
एंड यहाँ पे मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया है ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स का कंसेप्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है यहाँ. दिस इज द फ्रोजन सेक्शन.
वरना बनाना नहीं प्रेफर करते. They buy frozen things and then cook it or bake it at home.
Our Indian cooking is quite time consuming, so you can get ready to cook meals over here like the pasta bake, then you have lasagna. काफ़ी ज़्यादा non-veg option है and we don't prefer much of non-veg food. You can get cut salads as well. like this along with breadcrumbs. It's sort of a salad kit. Just mix it up, top it up with some dressing, and your meal is ready. I love avocados. What about you?
Comment and let us know.
Look at the abundance of frozen items. What we want is frozen peas. Okay. जैसे हम टेस्को से बाहर निकले थे, हमारा नेक्स्ट चैलेंज था कि हमको बस ढूंढनी थी टुवर्ड्स आवर होम. सो बेसिकली हमने गूगल पे देखा एंड गूगल मैप्स वाज शोइंग दैट वी हैव टू वॉक फॉर अबाउट 5 to 7 minutes एंड देन कैच अ बस. बट देन व्हेन वी रीच दैट स्टॉप वी वर क्वाइट लेट.
हम लोग फिर रोड साइंस फॉलो कर करके, ये जो कार के रोड साइंस होते हैं उनको फॉलो कर करके हम लोगों ने कैसे तो एक बस स्टैंड ढूंढा एंड देन वी गॉट टू नो कि ये वाली बस जाती है. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू टू एंजॉय द व्यू फ्रॉम द फ्रंट सीट ऑफ अ डबल डेकर बस. We have reached home after a nice bus ride.
Yes, time to end the day, time to end the vlog.
और यही था आज का vlog. Hope you enjoyed our vlog. Please अगर आपको कोई vlogs में improvement बताने हैं तो please comment section में बताइए.
Yes, and like, share and
comment,
subscribe.
and subscribe.
Lots of love.